Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gerald and we're gonna continue talking to you about Mixcraft 8 and how sort of to piece a song together here. And what I've been doing is making sure that I use a metronome, so that's super important. Always using a count in, which is down here. I could change the timing and change the speed and change the key right here. Forgot to mention that those settings that you select at the beginning when you first go to start a project. So that's where you can change them down here on the go. So I have this here undocked and I have it blown up so you guys can sort of see it. Right there is probably good. Then you can see what I'm doing with the drums here. I'm going to start adding the drums and show you how I do that in Mixcraft. So to start off, we're going to click on add a track here. We're going to add a virtual instrument track. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to drum kits, and we are going to choose, is there like a standard rock kit? A room kit maybe? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit musical typing, and I'm going to go ahead and arm this track for recording, because this is the only way I've figured out how to like actually get it to I'm gonna unarm that one. This is the only way I've figured out how to. Okay, so here's what I will do. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up that other menu that I detached there. I'm gonna hit the eraser and just erase all these. See what level of notes we should use here. I think I'll use 16th note. We'll see how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and find. Oh, it's so tiny on here, so I can't see what it is. Oh, kick drum. I got an easier way to do this where I can copy and paste a lot of stuff. Make life a little easier that way. Forgot I figured that out last time. There, okay. That sounds about right. And this one right here is set to open snare. Oh, stop. Let's just see how that works, if I can do that or not. I'm not too sure if I can, but we're going to give it a shot here. Why the heck not? Control C. Just go ahead and Control V that there. And let's see how that sounds. Wow! So I'll just Control V that a couple more times. maybe here we'll do something yet a little bit different. Later. So let's give that whole thing a feel. That's how I do it on Mixcraft 8 with the drums. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that's awesome. See you in the next video.